Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Goodnotes Whiteboard for mind mapping in 2026. Do you want to brainstorm ideas visually in Goodnotes? The whiteboard feature is perfect for mind mapping and organizing your thoughts. So let's see how to use it. Before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download the Goodnotes application. You're just gonna head to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using, and you're gonna look for the Goodnotes application. Once you find it, you're gonna click on install. Make sure to install it. It's very easy and very useful to use with your notebooks. Make sure you pay for the premium version if you want more accessibility to all the features like AI or every feature. That means now we're gonna go with the topic. The first thing we wanna do is to open the Goodnotes and create a new whiteboard. Now we're gonna start here by clicking on the new button. As you can see, I already mentioned that you must own the premium version in order to be able to create more than 3 notebooks, because the free version only allows you to create three notebooks. So I'm gonna select one, and I'm gonna delete that one. For example, I'm gonna delete this one, and I'm gonna delete all of them basically. I'm gonna select delete. Then you're gonna go to the trash and empty the trash. You're gonna select them all, click on select all and delete permanently. Now we're gonna go back to the documents. As you can see here, I'm gonna click on new. Now we're gonna look for the whiteboard. As you can see, it's the third option. It says whiteboard, so you're gonna click on it. And just like that, you're gonna choose the language, the title of the whiteboard, the pattern and the color, and then create. For example, I'm gonna choose yellow color, dotted. I'm gonna choose grid, like this. You can choose any other language. I'm gonna select example. I'm gonna name it example, and I'm gonna click on create whiteboard. And just like this, I created my whiteboard. As you can see here, it is gridded like this. You can choose to create it with dots or with the blank page. Now you can also use the pen to draw branches from your main topic. You can write topics here and draw the pen from here, create arrows, then create the new title for a new branch. You can add sub topics and connect them with lines and arrows, zoom in and out freely to expand your mind map without limits, and use colors and shapes to organize different ideas. The whiteboard is perfect for brainstorming and mind mapping, so use it to organize ideas visually and think more creatively. And if you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.